Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unboxing the Tomytec Nissan's GTR T-Spec, the 2022 version, and these two Tomica Premium, the Alphard and the Toyota Celsior. So, we are going to unbox these things, and I think I should start with these things first, the Celsior and the Alphard. So the Toyota Celsior is being used, but I think the condition of the box you look really good. But this part have this part is the ink is fade away a little bit. But let's just unbox it. Yeah, so we should start with Celsior first. Wow, the car is being upside down. I don't know why. Okay, let's pull this out first. Okay, so this the black Celsior, or you can call it the LS400, the Lexus LS400. So the exterior look really nice, and also we come with suspension and the combo of a black, gray, yes, a little bit gray, and the beige interior is just so nice. And also you got chrome frame on the windows, and the paint looks really good. Yeah. So at the back you got these plastic lights, right? Okay, so the details is really good. Yeah, the headlights, and also you can open the door. The sound is really solid though. Yeah, really solid. The weight is okay, and for Tomica it's plastic base, but I won't mind. Overall, this is really good. Yeah, so I think this is about like 7 out of 10. Yeah, so this thing came with the 4-liter V8. It's about like 250 horsepower. Yeah, it's look really good. Yeah. So for the second one, it's a Toyota Alphard. Yeah, this is it's a black one. It's matched with this. Yeah. So we will unbox it. Yeah, the black box. Yeah, the design of the box is really nice, and it came with opening parts. Yeah, it's really nice. And now I'm going to unbox it. Okay, must be careful to not. Okay, you got some tape things here. Okay, okay. Okay. Wait. I'm quite struggling with these. Okay. Okay. So let's start to unbox it. Damn. Okay. So it's okay. So let's open this. Damn. So Toyota Alphard, yes, this came with some more protection. Yeah, yes, it does come with this protection. Okay, wow, look really good. Yes, damn, the details look really nice. Yeah, that's just the same as the detail of Tomica Premiums. All right, so it cannot open the trunk, but it can open the sliding doors. Man, just so nice. Well, when it's first released, I don't think it have a opening door like this, but it does came with. Wow, this thing is so nice. So I think it should came with this is a white variation, but I think it should came with the rose gold. I think it's on the Lexus RX 350. Yeah, I think it should came with that color also. It look really good. So this is not the executive, because the executive rims is bigger and having more details. But overall, this is a really nice car, and this has the 2 sunroof on the top, and this does came with the spoiler like this. Yeah, this is a luxury minivan, right? Man, this looks really good. The Celsior parking next to the Alphard just looks really good though. Man, I love this thing. Yeah, I quit playing with Tomica Premiums, but that is the present that NT Zingang's channel gave it to me as a present. Yeah, it's really nice, and you can see through the window. Yeah, I have the third row. Wow, look really nice, but it's just missing the mirrors. Yeah, just missing the damn mirrors. Overall, these things really nice. And also, and now we go to the main character of this. Is a Tomytec premium T-spec 22 version. Okay, let's unbox it. Yeah, I have the midnight purple one. This is a 24, but this is a 22 version. All right. Okay, let's open this. Wow, look really nice. Okay, I must organize the box again. Yeah, for not creating a mess. So the box with Millennium Jade and the model of car. Yeah, this is the older version. Yes. Okay, wow. Yeah, you can have the catalog, same as any Tomytec. You catalog with specs and engines and horsepower stuff. Here, the catalog, and here you can have the main thing. It's the GTR T-spec 2022 version. All right, let's unbox it. Okay, whew, look really nice though. Oh yes. All right. Okay, so this is the Millennium Jade. Right. Okay, so this is came with the Millennium Jade one. There's also the midnight purple one is also available, but this is the one I reviewed, and looks like a normal GTR, but it does came with some Nismo rims and carbon fiber spoiler. Well, the 24 version still have a carbon fiber spoiler, but it's unexposed. It's paint much with the body color. I don't know why Nissan do it, but it looks really nice. It's based on the track edition, but it came with more refined interiors, right? So this Millennium Jade is a bit green and bronze mixed together, and also we have the bronze rims and Nismo brake caliper inside, the yellow brake calipers, and this carbon fiber spoiler. This is really nice, and also green interior. Wow, this look really stunning. Well, I think midnight purple with the Mori green just look better, because the midnight purple is a dark color, and the interior color is bright and it pops out more. But I think this combination is really good also. Well, it's based on the 2022 model here, and and it's look just a few things changed: the rims, the spoiler, and everything just the same as the normal one. Wow, this is really nice, and I really want to compare with the midnight purple one. Okay, so this video is end, and thanks NT Zingang for giving me these at the present. Well, these three things look really nice, and again, thanks my friend for giving me this at present. And now I'm going to end video. See you soon. Goodbye.